chicken thighs and we're gonna cut them into bite-size pieces. We'll need flour, all-purpose flour, paprika, salt, and black pepper. This is gonna be our seasoning to fry our chicken. We're also gonna need 2 large eggs and mix it, and we're gonna use this for our coating. For the chicken, we're gonna add flour in a bowl, black pepper, paprika, and salt. And we're gonna mix it together. Okay, so you're gonna get your chicken pieces, and then we're gonna do flour, egg, flour, and then we're going to do that with every piece, and then we're going to be frying it in the oil. So basically like frying chicken, but this is going to be the first step to make our sesame chicken. Okay, so the minute we dip it in the flour, we're dipping it in the egg wash like so, right? And then we're going to let the egg wash drain, and then we're going to move it over here and then do the same process. Cover it in flour and then shake. So we're gonna start putting your chicken in the hot oil, and we're gonna fry them till they're golden brown on both sides. Okay. It should look like this. And then we're gonna do the rest of the batch and work on our sauce next. Okay, for our sauce, you'll need 1/4 cup of honey, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, half a cup of ketchup, also 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of flour. Also need 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Last ingredients is green onions, and then we're gonna mix our sauce together. So you'll need a medium saucepan, and then you're gonna add chopped garlic. We're gonna cook this for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna add the sesame sauce mixture to this. Okay, so we'll cook this for 30 seconds. Just make sure you constantly stir so it can cook evenly. Okay, don't forget to mix your mixture for your sesame sauce, okay? And then we're gonna add this to the pan that we're sauteing the garlic in. Then you're gonna add the mixture in, and we're gonna stir this for 3 minutes to 4 minutes until the sauce thickens. So you're gonna keep stirring till the sauce thickens. Okay, as you can see, our sauce is already thick. Then we're gonna add this to our chicken that we did earlier for the sauce. Okay, so you're gonna want to make sure that you coat the chicken evenly with the sauce. And there you have it, sesame chicken. Don't forget to top it with some green onions. Also some extra sesame seeds as well.